When using Facebook, have you ever suddenly realized that you liked and followed a page without knowing it? Maybe you forgot, but it's also possible that you really don't know about that channel. So did Mark Zuckerberg do that? Of course not. In this video, I will share with everyone a trick that programmers have used JavaScript to be able to get your likes. The origin of all that is Facebook allows users to embed like and share Facebook page buttons into any website. For example, here, I have embedded the fan page like button into the Facebook like element. And of course, because it has been embedded into our website, we will have a lot of tricks to force users to click on this like button. The first thing I did was go into CSS and add the fixed position property to the Facebook like element. What for? Now I will use JavaScript. Create a variable Facebook like to manipulate the Facebook like element. Then I will catch the event when the user moves the mouse or run a function, because the Facebook like class has been declared with the position attribute. So I can easily move the position of this element according to the position of the mouse pointer. With client X is the distance of the pointer to the left of the viewport. Client T is the distance of the pointer to the top of the viewport. So now, the Facebook like button will follow your mouse cursor. To ensure the cursor position is always right on the like button, in CSS we use the transform translate property to move the element a bit. So now, whether the user wants it or not, and no matter where they click on your website, the thing that the user will always click on is the Facebook like button. Interesting, right? Of course, if they know that, they won't click, so I'll make it transparent with the opacity property. So now, they will click on your Facebook like button without them knowing. And finally, in order not to interrupt the user experience on your website, Facebook also provides programmers with functions to check if the user has clicked yet. So based on that, when the user has just clicked, we will hide this element so that the user can continue to interact with your website. In projects, you can add more conditions such as whether they have liked before, or anything you want if you want your code to be more impressive. The special thing about this method is that they have made us really like their Facebook, not robots or spam. You know, the likes of real users are always more valuable. And that is an interesting trick that I want to share with everyone in this video. Thank you for watching. Please look forward to the next interesting video. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video.